Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic comparison of microcontrollers, which is a part of unit 1, that is fundamentals of microprocessor architecture. So coming to the first learning objectives. At the end of this lesson, students must be able to learn evolution of microcontrollers, what is a 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontrollers, and what are the differences between 4-bit, 8-bit, 16-bit and 32-bit microcontrollers. So evolution of microcontroller. The first microcontroller TMS 1000 was introduced by Texas Instruments in the year 1974. In the year 1976, Motorola designed a microprocessor chip called 6801, which replaced its earlier chip 6800 with certain add-on chips to make a computer. This paved the way for the new revolution in the history of chip design and gave birth to a new entity called microcontrollers. Later, the Intel company produced its first microcontroller 8048 with a CPU and a 1 kilobytes of EEPROM, 64 bytes of RAM, an 8-bit timer and 27 input and output pins in 1976. Then followed the most popular controller 8051 in the year 1980 with 4 kilobytes of ROM, 128 bytes of RAM, a serial port, 2 16-bit timers and 32 input-output pins. Intel introduced a 16-bit microcontroller 8096 in the year 1972. Later, Intel introduced one more microcontroller, ATC196 series of 16-bit microcontrollers for the mainly industrial applications. Microchip, another company, has introduced an 8-bit microcontroller PIC16C64 in the year 1985. The 32-bit microcontroller have been developed by IBM and Motorola. MPC 505 is a 32-bit RISC controller of Motorola, and the 403 GA is a 32-bit RISC embedded controller of IBM. And coming to the next topic, types of microcontrollers. Microcontrollers can be classified on the basis of internal bus width, architecture, memory and instruction set. Has 4-bit microcontrollers, 8-bit microcontrollers, 16-bit microcontrollers and 32-bit microcontrollers. 4-bit microcontrollers. These 4-bit microcontrollers are very small in size and have a minimum pins, and the cost of controllers is very low, which are widely used for low-end applications like LED and LCD display drivers, portable battery chargers, etc. These 4-bit microcontrollers have very low power consumption. The popular 4-bit microcontrollers are Renesas M34501, which is a 20-pin DIP chip with 4 kilobytes of ROM, 256 bytes of RAM, 2 counters and 14 input-output pins. Similarly, ATAM862 series from Atmel company. And coming to the 8-bit microcontrollers, these are the most popular and widely used microcontrollers. About 55% of all the CPUs sold in the world are 8-bit microcontrollers only. The 8-bit microcontrollers has 8-bit internal bus and the arithmetic and logical unit, which performs all the arithmetic and logical operations on a byte instruction. The well-known 8-bit microcontroller is 8051, which was designed by Intel company in the year 1980 for the use in embedded systems. Other 8-bit microcontrollers are Intel 8031, 8052 and Motorola MC68HC11 and AVR microcontrollers. Microchips PIC controllers 12C5XX, 16C5Hex and 16C505, etc. And next is 16-bit microcontrollers. When the microcontroller performs 16-bit arithmetic and logical operations at an instruction, the microcontroller is said to be a 16-bit microcontroller. The internal bus width of 16-bit microcontroller is of 16-bit. These microcontrollers having increased memory size and operational speed is increased when compared to the 8-bit microcontrollers. These 16-bit microcontrollers are mostly suitable for high-level languages like C and C++, and their applications are in disk drivers, modems, printers, scanners, and servo motor controls. Examples of 16-bit microcontrollers are Intel 8096 family and Motorola MC68, HC12, and MC6833-2 families. The performance and computing capability of 16-bit microcontrollers are enhanced with greater precision as compared to the 8-bit microcontrollers. And coming to the 32-bit microcontrollers, these microcontrollers used in high-end applications like automate control, communication networks, robotics, cell phones, GPRS and PDS, etc. Some of the most popular 32-bit microcontrollers are PIC32, ARM7, ARM9, Sharp LH79520, Atmel32 AVR, Texas Instrument TMS 320 F280 2X or 280 3X, etc. Thank you.